the most intimate part of your house is your bedroom. It's for you, it's for moments of lovemaking, moments of recovery, moments of intimacy. You're born in a bed, etc. It's, you know, it's the most private place in your home. Hi, my name is Harry Weller and I am the creative director of Tracey Emin Studio. We are here because we are looking at the condition of all the elements that make up my bed. Tracey's notorious and probably most, I would say, controversial work. So this work is an incredibly important artwork still to this day to Tracey, because it set her off in a trajectory for the rest of her life. The bed, it's a time capsule. It's a moment in Tracey's life. Nothing is contrived. It's all real. It's all the result of a breakdown, a mental breakdown, the breakdown of relationship, an absolute psychological trauma. And the bed was her vessel that picked her up and saved her. It cocooned her, it kept her safe. And so all these items are from that time, that period in her life. It's a self-portrait of her without being present, the artist present. Every time I see this also, it reminds me of it. It's like a crime scene. Everything is in its own packaging. You know, you have a packet of cigarettes to itself, or you have used cigarettes and matches. You have sweet wrappers, which lay on the bedside table next to her. It's funny, she doesn't eat sweets now. So it's strange seeing this Tracey from another world, another time. And she gave up smoking in 2003. So it's strange to see Rizla papers and all these Marlboro packets around. She's totally against smoking now. Tracey always said that she said to me that she sort of invented the self-portrait and the selfie. So before you had your camera phone and you know, the front-facing camera, Tracey was taking Polaroids of herself, and she continues to do so, actually. So a very young Tracey here. It's a completely different Tracey, what we're looking at now, to the Tracey she is. No longer smoking, no longer drinking. Man. It's Tracey. Hello. Oh, you look nice. It's funny, I was looking through all of this, like, I've never seen you eat McDonald's. And there's...
No, that barbecue sauce was there. It was Matt's, I think. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you take loads of photos of it?
Yeah, I will do.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Where did you get this?
I think I got it in Cologne. No, actually, no, no. No, I didn't get it in Cologne. I got it in my head. It was in my flat, right? Like, by my bed. But of course, that my bed is stronger than the memory of my flat now, because it's like looking at a photograph of yourself when you're a child. That becomes your memory as a child, not the reality. And then there's that wooden clacker thing.
Yeah, this.
Matt got me in, oh my God, Prague. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Okay, cool.
All right.
All right then. Okay.
Bye.
Bye then. See you. Bye. Bye. Take photos.
I will do. I'll take photos. Bye.
Just like, yeah.
Yeah, I will do. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. There is an argument of what do you replace? The work will slowly disappear. The newspapers are from that time. The cigarette packets are from that time. The condoms, they're the real condoms that she used. If you start replacing things that are slowly disappearing, it becomes sort of a waxwork of what was. It's not the authentic, the original item. So maybe it is ephemeral. Maybe it will slowly disappear with time.